Living in Chiang Mai, you receive Thai messages on an almost daily basis. Online, messages come from your landlord or neighbors. On Grab, from your driver, and from your bank or supermarket, important notices arrive by SMS. But honestly, the moment you see a Thai message, don't you find yourself putting it off? I'll look it up later, and then you never do. I think many of you have had that experience. The truth is, this is a problem with how you're using your translation tool. Once you know the method I'm sharing today, Thai messages will never stress you out again. What I'm introducing today is a special feature exclusive to Android, the combination of tap to translate and the floating icon. The typical way people use a translation app goes like this: copy the Thai text, close the app, open Google Translate, paste it, and translate. That process requires at least 4 to 5 steps. But with floating translation, the moment you copy text, the Google Translate icon automatically appears on your screen. Just tap that icon and the translation window overlays right on top of whatever app you're using. No need to close the app at all. It's done in just 2 steps. iPhone doesn't have this feature. This is an Android exclusive privilege. Let's look at some real-world examples. First up, Grab. When you order a taxi or food delivery on Grab, your driver sometimes sends a message in Thai. Things like, "Where are you?" or "I'm waiting in front of the building." But in Thai, you can't tell at a glance what it says. With floating translation, just long press the message text and copy it while staying in the Grab app. The Google Translate icon appears on screen, tap it, and the translation overlays right on top of the Grab screen. You can check the map and the translation at the same time. That's the real convenience of translating without closing your app. You can communicate smoothly without keeping your driver waiting. Next, shopping apps and social media like Lazada and Facebook. When you live in Chiang Mai, you start joining local Thai Facebook groups, local events, flea markets, community information sharing. Useful content flows by constantly, all in Thai. But having to switch back and forth to a translation app gets tedious and you end up missing things. With floating translation, just copy the text of any post that catches your eye and it's instantly translated to Japanese right there. No need to close Facebook. The same applies when browsing Lazada. Copy any part of a product description you're curious about and check it immediately. Thai sale information and coupon codes become fully accessible. Third, important notifications from banks and public services. This might actually be the most critical use case. When an SMS arrives from a Thai bank, don't you sometimes worry that something might be wrong? Notifications from banks like Kasikorn or SCB often use specialized Thai vocabulary that can be hard to understand even with a basic translation. The same goes for notices from Thai immigration, the revenue department, or your condominium management, all in Thai. Letting these sit means missing deadlines without realizing it. With floating translation, you can stay in your SMS or email app, copy the text you need, and check it instantly. The risk of missing important notices drops dramatically. This is a feature I strongly recommend for anyone wanting to live more confidently in Chiang Mai long term. Now let me walk through the specific steps for Line, the most frequently used app. Living in Chiang Mai, you exchange Thai messages constantly with Thai friends, neighbors, and shop Line accounts. Here's the flow. When a Thai message arrives online, long press the message and select Copy. Then tap the Google Translate floating icon displayed on the right side of the screen. When the translation window opens, paste the copied Thai text. The Japanese translation appears immediately. You never need to close Line. The translation window overlays right on top of the Line screen. That's the defining feature of floating translation. It works the same way in group chats too. You'll be able to participate comfortably in group talks with Thai friends. Once you've read and understood the message, it's time to reply, and that reply can also be completed right inside the floating translation window. The translation window defaults to Thai to Japanese. To compose a reply, you first need to reverse the language direction. Tap the language display at the top of the window and switch it from Japanese to Thai. Once switched, type your reply in Japanese in the input field. Your Japanese is automatically translated into Thai, so just copy the translated Thai text and paste it into the line or grab message field. Read, translate, compose a reply, and send. This entire sequence is completed without switching apps even once. It takes a little practice at first, but after 2 or 3 tries, you'll get the hang of it quickly. For those who can speak a little Thai but can't write it, this feature is incredibly useful. Thai characters have a unique shape, and while you might be able to pronounce them, typing them is another matter. Typing Thai on a keyboard requires learning the Thai keyboard layout, and that takes time. That's where voice input comes in. Just speak Thai into your smartphone's microphone, and the AI will recognize your voice and transcribe it into accurate Thai characters. Depending on your phone, you can use voice input directly from the microphone icon on the keyboard, or open Google Translate in standard mode and use mic input there. For example, say Sawadee Krop, and Sawadee Krop is automatically entered as correct Thai text. As long as you can pronounce it, you don't need to know Thai spelling at all. A perfectly accurate Thai message is ready. Just copy it and paste it into line or grab. For anyone studying a little Thai, this is a truly powerful ally. Now let me walk through the setup. There are just 3 steps, nothing complicated, so even if you're not a smartphone expert, you can follow along with confidence. Step 1. Open Google Translate, go to Settings from the menu in the top right, and turn on Tap to Translate. This is the core setting for floating translation. Step 2. In the same settings screen, turn on Show Floating Icon. This keeps the icon visible on screen whenever you copy text. Step 3. Turn on Auto Translate Copied Text. With this on, translation starts the instant you copy text. No need to even tap the icon. Note, depending on your Android device, you may need to grant permission for display over other apps in your system settings. If prompted, allow it. Now let's actually do the setup. From your home screen, find the Google Translate app and tap to open it. Once open, tap the account icon in the top right. The settings screen will open directly. Look for the item called Tap to Translate and tap it to enter the detailed settings screen. You'll see 3 items. Turn them on one by one. First, Tap to Translate at the top. Tap the switch on the right to turn it on. This enables it to run constantly in the background. Next, tap the switch for Show Floating Icon. This keeps the Google Translate icon visible on screen no matter which app you're using. Finally, tap the switch for Auto Translate Copied Text. With this on, copied text is automatically entered into the translation window when you tap the floating icon. Once all 3 switches are on, setup is complete. Let's try it out. Next, let me explain how to use it with SMS. When an SMS arrives from a bank or Thai public service, open the SMS app and tap the Thai message you want to translate. Once the message is selected, tap the copy icon that appears at the top of the screen to copy the text. With the text copied, tap the Google Translate floating icon in the top right. The Google Translate window opens, tap Paste, the copied Thai text is entered, and translation begins. Once pasted, the Thai original and its Japanese translation are displayed in the window. In this example, an SMS from the Thai Revenue Department is translated as, "Your tax refund check was mailed on July 22, 2025. Even complex Thai text can be understood instantly. Bank notifications, Revenue Department notices, utility payment reminders, being able to check important SMS content on the spot is truly reassuring for life in Chiang Mai. Once you've checked the translation, dismiss the Google Translate window by swiping it left, right, or up and down. It slides away cleanly, leaving your original SMS screen visible. You can continue to the next message while keeping the translation in mind. The ability to dismiss it quickly when it's in the way is one of floating translation's biggest appeals. Now, let me explain the specific steps for line. When a Thai message arrives online, long press it. A menu appears at the bottom of the screen. Tap Copy to copy the text. With the text copied, tap the Google Translate floating icon in the top right. The Google Translate window opens, the copied Thai is automatically entered, and the Japanese translation appears right away. You can check the Thai content on the spot without closing line. Now let me explain how to translate Japanese to Thai to send a reply. The Google Translate window defaults to Thai to Japanese. To translate Japanese to Thai, tap the area showing Thai at the top of the window. A screen to choose the source language opens, select Japanese. Once the language is switched to Japanese to Thai, type what you want to say in the upper input field in Japanese. Your Japanese is automatically translated into Thai and displayed in the lower field. To send the translated Thai, tap the copy icon to the right of the Thai text. Then just paste it into the line input field and send. So, what did you think of Google Translate's floating feature? Setup is just 3 steps. Once configured, copy in any app and translation launches automatically. Line, Grab, Lazada, bank notifications, all handled with the same operation. Life in Chiang Mai, once you get past the language barrier, truly offers a comfortable and fulfilling everyday experience. Mastering this feature will help you naturally blend in to Thai communities and open your life up in meaningful ways.